was just sent a column floor lamp for review from OUTON store, so let's assemble it and take a look. Okay, here's how it comes in the box. This is gonna be the fabric lampshade. It's all folded up and some assembly required. Here's everything unboxed, ready to assemble. It comes with a 3-segment switching LED bulb, love that. 9 watts, 60-watt bulb equivalent. So cool, you can switch between the 3 color temperatures. It has about 25,000 life in hours. It comes with all the tools and pieces you're gonna need here and a handy assembly guide. So let's get to work. First, we're gonna attach the bottom board, which is the thickest, to a thinner board using 4 poles, 4 screws, and it even comes with little felt pads to put on the bottom. Nice touch. So here's how the bottom's gonna be with the screw inside connecting to the pole. Here's the inside of the pole. You're gonna place the foot pad right over the hole right there. Now we're gonna attach the next board with 4 long thread screws. Then you just kind of keep building up. Once you build up 1, 2, 3 platforms high, you go 1 leg higher, and then you're going to insert your light bulb platform. There's actually an extra hole for your light pulley thingy. Also great is you've got a regular AC outlet here and a USB plug outlet here. We screwed the light bulb base in tight. Attach the light bulb. This is the top frame. It's open and we're just gonna screw it in with 4 screws. I'm 5'8". If you're any shorter, you may want to use a stool just to see what you're doing up here. Let's see here. It just unfolds. Really nice. White. We've got 4 pegs we're going to insert to keep this in place like that. This goes down. Looks so nice. It is pretty much fully assembled. Last but not least, we're gonna secure the cord along the side with these clips it came with. You basically put the cord through this little hook. Boom. And then this snaps onto the leg here. Nice. It's fairly stable and lightweight enough you can move it around super easy. What's yours? Set up and looking gorgeous. All in all, it took about half an hour to assemble, which is not too bad. It was pretty easy. Just a lot of screws and unbagging everything. I love the 2 plug options here. You've got AC and USB. So I've got a tablet charging here and I've got our string lights plugged in. I can turn them on. Boom. Gorgeous, plugged into here, not wasting another outlet, which we never have enough of. We just pull it to turn it on. There is the warm light, medium natural light, cool light. Very nice pull here. You do have to turn it off and on every time you want to adjust that coolness, and it won't remember what you had it last on, but it's just a few pulls. Not a big deal. I love the shelving on here. We've got board games, we've got decoration. It's really handy and sturdy and gorgeous. Love, love, love.